Hello everyone, in this video I will be explaining the task 2.1p of unit SIT210. The hardware required for this task is Arduino Nano 33 IoT board, two jumper wires, breadboard, a data transfer cable through which we are going to program our Arduino Nano, and one push button. So in this task, we need the LED light to blink our first name in the form of Morse code when the push button is pressed. The representation of the Morse code is as follows. For example, for letter A, the representation is dot dash. Now I will be presenting the video in which the Arduino Nano is blinking my first name, that is Harshita, in the form of Morse code when the push button is pressed. Now I will be explaining the code for the same. I have done the coding in Arduino IDE. Now first we have to select the board we are using, that is Arduino Nano 33 IoT, and then we have to select the port. After doing all these things, our Nano is set to execute any block of code. We start by defining the duration for short and long blinks. This will help us represent dots and dashes in Morse code. We also initialize a push button and set up necessary pins for the built-in LED and the button. To communicate messages in Morse code, we have defined an array of strings, each corresponding to a letter of the alphabet. Now there is a blink function which handles LED blinking. It takes a duration as an argument and turns the LED on for that duration before turning it off. I have also implemented blink Morse function which accepts a Morse code pattern and translates it into visual blinks. In the main loop, we check if the push button is pressed. If it is, then we display the name Harshita in the Morse code. You can replace the name with any name you like. We then iterate through each character, converting it to uppercase and translating it into Morse code. In this code, the dots are shown as short blinks while the dashes are shown with long blinks. There is one more functionality, that is, when the push button is not pressed, the loop continues to the else section. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it.